The 2010 Ford Expedition. Powerful, controlled, resourceful. Expedition. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: CD changer, running boards, third row seat, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, driver lumbar, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, front floor mats, cruise control, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, ABS four-wheel, AM/FM stereo radio, auto-off headlights, rear defrost, electronic stability control, fog lamps, bucket seats. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.